Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the first part of the Katseye Pinky Up dance, which is in the first part of the song and also at the end, just before this part starts. Yeah. If you want to learn this dance, you can check my other tutorial where I explain everything step by step, super slowly, with many repetitions and counts. Also, remember, this is the tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music at different speeds, you can check my other videos. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so we're going to do mirrored, meaning you just copy me, you do exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is your right, and this is your left. So we're going to start with the fist, yes? Palm of the hand is facing back, yeah? And we're going to start with the head, boom, going to the right, and then one finger after the other one. So you're going to start with the pinky, and then all the other one, and thumb last. And come back with your head. Then you look at your hand, tap, and the hand closed, just the pinky stays up. Yes, that's Megan's spot. Yeah, again, so fist and head, one finger after the other one, come back, look at your hand, tap, pinky. Yes, with the words. So let's say it's a state of mind, boom. Bet, it goes on goes, you start to look at your hand, it goes like this. On this, that's when you're going to tap your hand. Yeah? One more time. So, it's a state of mind, bet it goes like this. One last time. It's a state of mind, bet it goes like this. Then from here, we're going to start counting. Yes? So you're going to close your right leg and you're going to bend your knees, bring your upper body a little bit forward, and hands are flat, palms of the hand facing front. Yeah? So from here, boom, and you're going to close your hand except the little pinkies that are still up. Yeah, and from here, you're going to change your hands. Yes, so the hands, palm of the hands were facing forward. Now they're facing back. Yes, your arms are parallel. Yes, you still with your legs bent, but with your upper body, you came back straight. Yeah, so it's going to be 8 and 1. Okay, so from here, after the little pinky, 8 and 1. On 2, you're going to hop facing the diagonal. Yes, hands on the head, pinkies up. Yes, and your right foot is going to go in front of your other leg. You're on your heel and the toes are up. Yeah, they're not touching the floor. Yes, on 2. Okay? So, one more time from the top. It's a state of mind. Bet it goes like this. 8 and 1, 2. Yes, so that's on pinky up, boom. Yeah, from here we're going to turn. Yeah, we're going to turn to the other diagonal, to this other diagonal, and front. Yeah, I will explain the feet after. Just let's do the hands first. So from here, you're just gonna do right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, 5 times. So when you turn to the diagonal, you're gonna do right, left. Again, when you turn back to the diagonal, right, left, and then the last one facing front. Again, so right, left, right, left, right. Okay? To turn, so Now we're gonna do it slowly, so it's a little bit harder to keep your balance, but when you do it fast, it's not that hard. Yeah, so you're gonna put your right foot in front of the other one. So when you turn, you're gonna have to lift the left heel. Yes, so you're kind of gonna be in that position, yes, with your left heel up, yeah, to turn. Yeah, so from here, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you're gonna have to turn like that, yes. Yes, so when it's fast, you don't have to put, every time you arrive, your right toes on the floor, yes, unless you lose your balance, you can do it, yes. Some of the girls do it, some of the girls don't do it, so it's really up to you. But when it's fast, it's easier just to have it up so you don't waste time because it's really fast, yeah, but it's up to you, yeah. When it's slow now, we can put it down because it's hard to hold the balance, yeah. So we were here on 2, and we do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from the top. It's a state of mind, boom. Betty goes like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, and then we do the same thing again. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we stop here at 6. Yeah, we don't do the last one, the one on 7. From here, we're gonna do palm, come back. So basically here, they start facing different directions, and they're gonna be in couples, except Daniela, that is in the center. So that change direction, so you can do whatever you want. Right now, I'm gonna face front, so it's easier to understand the movement, yeah? So same thing, some do the other leg. So right now I'm gonna start with my right leg, but no, you can start with your other leg, it doesn't matter. Yeah, because some of them are on a different leg. So we've done 6, so we're gonna do with the right leg, 7, close 8. So the right leg is stretching in the back, yes. This one, the left one is still bent, and you're coming back. Yes, with your arms, you were here. Sorry, you were here. So you finished this one. So it's really fast. The last one, you don't really have time to close. You kind of gonna have to go directly in the movement. Yes, in the speed. So you here. So you're gonna do left, right, and come back. It's really fast, so actually if you do both arms together, it doesn't change anything, yeah? So up to you. Left, right, but it's really fast, or both arms together. So we were here, and we go left, right, and come back, yes? And when you're in that position, your arms are straight in the front, and they come back, they're bent parallel, yes? And you can look up and come back, yeah? Let's do from the second time we're doing this, yes? So 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah? From the top, and then I'll finish the dance. So it's a state of mind, boom, bet it goes like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna do with your arms first. Drum, like still pinky up, like drumming with your pinky. Come down with your arms, and then touch, boom, like touch and rebound. Yes, and again. Drum and touch. Yeah? With your feet, you were here, so you're gonna go with your right leg, touch the floor, put it down, touch, put it down, touch, put it down, touch, close. Yes? Everything together. So, touch, put it down, boom. Touch, put it down, boom, close. One more time. Touch, drum, yeah? So when you do that, obviously, you can a little bit add a little bit of butt, yeah, butt going to the back, yes, when you touch, yes, and pam, and pam, and pam, and pam, yes, and also a little bit, yeah, with your upper body if you want as well, yes. So you've done 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? And when you close, you're gonna have your little pinky up. Yeah? Palm of the hand facing the back. Yes? And from here, that's when you start the spot that I explained in the other tutorial. Yes? And that's it. Yes? So let's do from the top. It's a state of mind. Boom. Bet it goes like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. It's a state of mind. Boom. Bet it goes like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. It's a state of mind. Boom. Bet it goes like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.